In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Translate in Firefox so you can automatically translate full web pages while browsing. This is a quick and useful setting if you visit websites in different languages and want Firefox to offer translations without needing extra tools or extensions. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, app launcher, or start menu, depending on your device. Once Firefox opens, you'll be on the main browser window and ready to change the settings. Now look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. This opens Firefox main menu with all the important browser options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Firefox Settings page, where you can adjust language, privacy, search, and other browser preferences. Inside Settings, find and click Languages. This is the section where Firefox manages your preferred languages and translation options. If you don't see it right away, just look through the settings sidebar or scroll until you find the language-related area. Next, scroll down until you reach the translation section. This is the part that controls whether Firefox can offer translation features when it detects a web page in another language. Now, tick the option that says Offer Full Page Translation. Once you enable this, Firefox will be able to suggest translating complete web pages when needed, making it much easier to read content in other languages without copying text into a separate translator. After that, your Firefox translation feature is enabled. You can close the settings page, return to browsing, and Firefox should now offer translation when it detects supported foreign language pages. If you want to test it, open a website in another language and see whether Firefox gives you the translation prompt. If it does, then everything is set up correctly, and that's it. You've successfully enabled Translate in Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.